Changing channels on Xumo is straightforward. Use the up-down arrow buttons to scroll through the live TV channel grid. Press the OK button to select your desired channel. For direct access, use the number pad to enter the channel number. For example, pressing 123 will tune to channel 123. This method offers a quick way to navigate directly to specific channels, especially useful for live sports or news. Xumo's remote also allows users to rapidly input channels up to 3 digits long. The Guide button on your Xumo remote opens the On-Screen Electronic Program Guide, or EPG. Here, you can view channel schedules, logos, and program descriptions. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the guide and press OK to select a program. This function helps you discover new content and plan your viewing. Beyond basic navigation, the remote includes volume, mute, and power buttons for full control. Mobile app users can access a virtual remote that mirrors the physical remote's functions via Wi-Fi. This provides convenient channel surfing and guide access from your smartphone.